Hey FineGap viewers, so welcome to the part 2 of Learn Prompt Engineering and Advanced ChatGPT series. And before starting the video, I want to thankful to all of you because we have completed 6,000 subscribers, Alhamdulillah. And I am very thankful to all of you who are supporting us. So let's get started. So friends, in this course, we will learn ChatGPT use cases, how we can modify ChatGPT's response, the limitations of ChatGPT, and how ChatGPT can be a good storyteller, and how you can use ChatGPT as a personal assistant or a customer service representative. So first of all, let me get started here. On the bottom right section here, we have a inbox where we can write our prompts. So for example, let me type here how I can change the tire of a car. Obviously, I have made a spelling mistake here, but still ChatGPT will able to understand that what I am actually want to ask. Let me press enter. So here you can see that changing a car tire is relatively straightforward process and blah blah blah. Here you can see that spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and whole wedges or brakes, gloves, and flashlight. So here you can see that now it is telling us the steps in more details, and in the end it have provided us steps that how we can actually change the tire of the car. So basically this is its capability, that ChatGPT's large language model have trained on a large amount of data sets, and it can understand the context that we type in our prompts, and according to the data on which it is trained, it can generate text according to the context of your prompt. So this was our first query. Let me type here another thing. Tell me these steps in Shakespeare tones. Let me press enter. So now you can see that it is telling me the same steps in Shakespeare tones, because ChatGPT knows how to change the tire of a car, and it also have learned the poems of Shakespeare, and it can understand that how Shakespeare actually write poems. So it is telling me the response or the answer of my query in the form of Shakespeare. Remove the nuts with wrench in hand, dust away and lay them safe. Arrow to take tire away with strength and care. The flat tire now be gone from hub, its part as shadows flee at dawn. So here now you can see that. Let me type here another prompt that tell me how to change the tire of a car, but tell me in the form of a poem. Let me press enter, and now you can see that it is telling me how to change the tire of a car, but in the form of poem. So that's how you can modify the ChatGPT's responses. And basically ChatGPTs have large language models available in the backend, and these models are trained on data. ChatGPT can understand your context, and it can answer you in which format you are asking for. Basically, the one key lesson to write prompt is the as much context you will provide of your problem, the more accurate results it will create. I heard from peoples, they said that ChatGPT generate useless responses. I believe that these peoples do not learn prompt engineering. If you will not learn how to actually use them, you will not get benefit from this tool. So make sure to provide complete context of your problem, and then you will see the magic that how ChatGPT will solve your problems. So friends, this was our second video. I hope that this video will be helpful for you, that how ChatGPT can solve our query and how we can customize ChatGPT responses. Thanks for watching.